fascinating, Tessa.
I actually watched her make it before. She wore it to a different anime convention.
Are you a dog? A wolf.
A wolf. Oh, they're not like it.
What kind of wolf are you? An Arctic wolf.
Well, this
Oh,
is,
it is cold on our planet. You will like it.
this is very
Can
strange.
I keep it, Dada?
Yes. Yes, and I don't think Tessa will even need a rabies tag.
Oh, rabies would be good.
Yes, it would be.
Yeah. Good way to kill humans. Yeah.
They will die a slow, agonistic, painful death.
Yes. Well, thank you for coming.
Tessa, you are a beautiful, beautiful specimen.
Yes, let's have a ball. Now, you will meet where we take off in this parking lot in our spaceship, and then we will train you to kill.
And after training a man-eating wolf, it's always